Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Chelsea local and long-distance movers. Near me. If you're planning a local move to Chelsea, Massachusetts, it's crucial to consider enlisting the assistance of a local moving company, such as 3 Movers. Opting for professional movers for your local relocation is a wise choice, and 3 Movers ensures a smooth and prosperous transition for your move. We are one of the best moving companies in the United States and will handle your move with care and precision. By selecting 3 Movers, you can have confidence that all aspects of your move will be well managed for a seamless and hassle-free experience. Our transportation services at 3 Movers are high speed, and this is very much needed for a long-distance move. We would quickly move your belongings in our moving truck to your Chelsea destination, and we always ensure that we stick to the arrival time. Our super-fast services work well with our customers' timelines, and your belongings will be moved quickly. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chelsea moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.